Welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today we are going to be making these super cute mini Jenga block pumpkins. I'm using the little mini Jenga blocks from the Dollar Tree along with some cinnamon sticks, some ribbon and twine. Also, I'm going to be trying out a new cordless glue gun that I found on Amazon, so stick around. We're going to start with opening up the glue gun, and then I'll teach you how to make these cute pumpkins. So first, let's open up this new glue gun that I purchased and check it out. It is cordless, like I said. It's a great color, pink and purple. Love that. It has a little stand that you can put up if you don't want it there, and it also has this little portable stand. So let's see how this works. I'm not sure. Oh, okay. So hook onto here. Let's read here. There's a little tiny manual. So the base. See if we can figure out how this works. Hooking. No? What do you think, guys? I'm not quite sure how this works. That's bizarre. Oh. Well, it has it there. But I don't. Okay. Alright. So that's the first thing. Oh, okay, I see. So these hook in here. There's little places here. So those just slide in there. Alright, that's cool. So, except this, it would be a little hard. It's just a little extra step that you have to take. You can't just like quickly set it. I would do just that. So I'm not really sure if I would use this a whole lot. I mean, I do like how that makes it stand up like that. And I suppose if you left your glue gun on your counter all the time or your desk, then that would be perfect for that. But for like just using it, I wouldn't want to have to pull this off, you know, in the middle of a project. I would just leave it like that, and probably I usually put a little plate or something underneath, so in case it drips. I don't know if this is going to drip yet because I haven't tried it, but yeah. So it comes, it's rechargeable, so it comes with a USB cord that you would have to have an adapter. So if you have a phone charger that has a USB or anything else that charges with a USB plug-in, you would need that for this because it doesn't come with it. So I need to figure out where it plugs in here. Oh, right in the back. So right under the light, and that is the light that says that it's charging. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in because I'm assuming that it's not charged yet, and get it fully charged. I'm going to read here and see if it blinks. So it says that the blue light is on during preheating, the red light is on during charging. So, and then the green light is on when it's fully charged. So I'm going to plug this in and get it fully charged, and I will be back. Well, first I'll just show you what else comes with it. It comes with this package of glue sticks. There are a number of the longer sized glue sticks that are the clear or like the cloudy color, like the normal glue stick, and then there's a few of these colored ones. So let's see, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, well, probably 20. Doesn't say on the package. Looks about 20, about pulling them all out and counting them. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 10 of the colored glitter ones. I've never made anything with glitter glue sticks. Have you? Put that down in the comments if you have. So on the little manual on the back, it says, it has a question and answer, and it says, why does the charging time of the same battery pack vary? I was hoping it would say like how long it would take. Let's see. Charging. I don't know. It doesn't say how long it takes to charge it, but I will time it and get back. Just say no, it doesn't have any indication of how long it will take to charge. But I'll let you know that here in a bit after it's charged. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll be back and I'll show you how to make the cute little pumpkins. So for each pumpkin you will need 8 of the Jenga blocks. So I want to make 4 of these pumpkins, so I pulled out 8 for each. And I also wanted 2 of each color, so I'm painting half of the blocks the orange and half of them turquoise. I'm just using acrylic paints that I had in my stash. I think I had some acrylic craft paint from Target. So I'm going right now and I'm painting the tops and the sides that I can hold in my fingers. And then after that dries, I'll turn them over and paint the other sides. So now I have this turquoise color that I wanted to use, so I'm doing the same with this. For each size of the pumpkins, if you wanted to do a regular size Jenga block, you would use the same amount of blocks, so 8 for each. The orange paint that I'm using is actually a paint from Chocola, and if you wanted to see my review and project that I made with these initially, I'll link the video down below. It is a nice set of 36 different colors, and the paints come in the little tubes, and the set also comes with a nice set of paint brushes, a palette, a sponge, and a palette knife. So it's an awesome set. It's really reasonable on Amazon, so I'll have the link down below for that. Now take 8 of your Jenga block pieces. You're going to put some glue on the thinner side of one of the blocks, and you'll be pressing that onto the wider side of one of the blocks, and you'll do that with a second set. And you'll be making 2 of these pieces, so they pretty much look like a little T, like a short squatty T. Then you will put those opposite each other with the little side poking out, I guess you would say, and then you will stick 2 in between that, and then put the sides together. Sorry, that was a little disjointed of a description, but now I'm going through. I have cinnamon sticks that I cut, and I'm putting a little bit of glue on the insides of these and sticking the stick right down in and holding it till the glue dries. Super cute. And then lastly, what you want to do is just decorate them. So I'm using some twine just to make like a little viney thing at the top, just making a double knot around my sticks. And then I picked out a couple different ribbons in my stash, so I'm going to add those next. I have this orange polka dot ribbon, so I'm making a little simple bow, just a regular old bow that you would tie. And then I'm going to put a little dab of the hot glue and stick that on the top there. I liked the fact that I alternated the colors on this. I think it looked really cute. And then I made a couple different turquoise ones as well. I just found some scraps in my scrap basket of ribbons, so I wanted to use those up. So that's why there's two different turquoise ribbons. But yeah, these turned out so cute. I hope that you enjoy these and it gives you inspiration to make them. Go ahead and check out the cordless glue gun. I really thought that was awesome. It was so easy to use, and I'll have the link down for that below as well. Have a great day. God bless. Bye.